4 million years ago, our planet was a different place. Continents were shifting, climates were changing, and in the heart of Africa, a new kind of ape was about to emerge. These were the early hominids, our distant ancestors. They didn't look much like us, but they possessed a spark of something new. It was the beginning of a journey that would lead to us. We call this period the Pliocene epoch. It was a time of dramatic transformation. The African landscape was a mosaic of dense forests, open grasslands, and winding rivers. It was a challenging environment that favored adaptability and innovation. Only those species that could adjust to the changing world would survive. These early hominids were not the dominant creatures of their time. They shared their world with fearsome predators and competed with other primates for food and resources. Life was a daily struggle for survival, but within their genes lay the potential for something extraordinary. The story of human evolution is not a straight line. It is a branching tree with many dead ends. But from these humble beginnings, a lineage would emerge that would ultimately give rise to our species, Homo sapiens. The journey starts here in the heart of Africa, millions of years ago. Eastern Africa, the so-called cradle of humanity, played a pivotal role in the emergence of our ancestors. This region underwent significant geological and environmental shifts that created the perfect conditions for hominid evolution. The Great Rift Valley, a massive geological fault line that stretches for thousands of miles, was a key player in this story. As the African tectonic plates moved, they created the Rift Valley, a region of volcanoes, lakes, and diverse habitats. This dynamic landscape provided a range of environments for early hominids to adapt to. The fossil record tells a fascinating tale of this evolution. One of the most iconic early hominids, Australopithecus afarensis, lived in this region around 3.9 to 2.9 million years ago. The most famous fossil, Lucy, discovered in Ethiopia, belongs to this species. Lucy and her kin provide invaluable clues about our ancestors' appearance, anatomy, and lifestyle. Australopithecus afarensis was a remarkable blend of ape-like and human-like features. They had small brains, long arms, and short legs, suggesting they still spent time in trees. However, their teeth, pelvis, and most importantly, their footprints tell a different story. These hominids were walking upright, a defining characteristic of our lineage. Bipedalism, the ability to walk upright on two legs, was a game-changer in human evolution. This revolutionary adaptation freed our ancestors' hands, allowing them to use tools, carry food and infants, and explore new environments. But what drove this shift? Scientists believe that a combination of factors contributed to the evolution of bipedalism. Changes in climate and vegetation likely played a role as open grasslands replaced dense forests. Walking upright was more energy efficient for covering long distances in search of food and water. Moreover, standing upright offered a better view of the surroundings, crucial for spotting predators and prey in the open savanna. This enhanced vision, coupled with the ability to use their hands for tasks other than locomotion, gave early hominids a significant advantage. The evolution of bipedalism was a gradual process, with each generation inheriting slight variations in their anatomy. Over time, natural selection favored those individuals with traits better suited for upright walking. These traits, encoded in their genes, were passed down through generations, leading to the development of the distinctive human gait. Section 4. Whispers in Stone. Our understanding of early hominids relies heavily on the fossil record, the scattered remnants of ancient life preserved in stone. Fossils provide a tangible link to our distant past, offering glimpses into the anatomy, behavior, and environment of our ancestors. Paleontologists, like detectives, meticulously excavate and analyze fossils, piecing together the puzzle of human evolution. Each discovery, whether it's a skull, a tooth, or a footprint, adds a new piece to the puzzle, refining our understanding of these ancient beings. The fossil record, however, is incomplete, like a book with missing pages. Not all organisms that lived in the past became fossilized. The process of fossilization requires specific conditions, and many remains are lost due to erosion, geological activity, or simply the passage of time. Despite its limitations, the fossil record remains our primary window into the deep past. It tells a story of gradual change, adaptation, and survival, highlighting the remarkable journey that led to our own species. And with each new discovery, the story becomes richer and more complex. Section 5. Digital detectives. In recent years, advances in technology, particularly in artificial intelligence, have revolutionized the field of paleoanthropology. AI tools are now being used to analyze fossils, reconstruct ancient environments, and even predict the appearance of our early ancestors with unprecedented detail. Sophisticated imaging techniques, such as computed tomography scanning, allow researchers to create detailed three-dimensional models of fossils without damaging the precious originals. These models can be studied from all angles, revealing intricate details about skull morphology, brain size, and even the structure of inner ear canals, which provide insights into locomotion and balance. AI algorithms are also being trained on vast data sets of fossil data, climatic information, and ecological parameters. This enables researchers to model ancient environments, understand how they change over time, and predict how these changes may have influenced hominid evolution. Furthermore, AI is being used to analyze genetic data extracted from ancient fossils. By comparing the genomes of different hominid species, scientists can trace their evolutionary relationships, estimate when they diverged, and identify the genetic changes that underpinned key adaptations like bipedalism and increased brain size. Section 6. Legacy of the Afar. Australopithecus afarensis, though long extinct, holds a special place in human evolution. This species, epitomized by the iconic Lucy fossil, provides a crucial link between our ape-like ancestors and later hominids, including our own genus, Homo. While Australopithecus afarensis still possessed many primitive features, their bipedalism and other adaptations set the stage for the emergence of more human-like traits. Their ability to walk upright freed their hands, allowing them to use tools, albeit rudimentary ones, and expand their ecological niche. The legacy of Australopithecus afarensis is not just in their bones, but in the evolutionary path they forged. They were pioneers, venturing out into the African savanna, adapting to a changing world, and paving the way for the emergence of new lineages, ultimately leading to our own. Their story is a testament to the power of adaptation, the interconnectedness of life, and the relentless march of evolution. By studying these ancient hominids, we gain a deeper appreciation for our own place in the grand tapestry of life on Earth.